Welcome back, guys. So on this video we are talking about the Facebook Messenger, actually more specifically how to put Facebook Messenger in black mode on your messaging app. So it's kind of like maybe a secret or a unique function that Facebook has for their Messenger. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to assume that you already have the Facebook Messenger app. If not, click the description. There is a download link. I'll try to put some more information down there as well. So it's this one with like a little lightning strike, this Facebook Messenger lightning strike. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. All right, so here we are in the Facebook Messenger app, and we're going to change it into dark mode. So there's a couple of different ways you could do this. You will need to message somebody. So you can message yourself if you'd like, or you can message someone else. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and message somebody on my Facebook just because I know it's not going to bother them. Okay, so here we are. We are in a messenger portion of the Facebook Messenger. And what you want to do is you want to click on this like little emoji sign, which is this blue smiley face. So go ahead and click on that. And then once you've done that, you want to click on emoji. So it's going to bring up all these little faces and things like that. And you're going to scroll over. Okay, so once you scrolled over to this part, animals and nature, there is the moon. And that's what you're going to want to click on. So click there and send that. And as you can see, there's moons dropping off all over, and you can see at the top it says you found dark mode. Your friends can also unlock it by sending the moon emoji. So there we are. We have unlocked it, and see that gray bar right there in the middle? It says try it in settings. So this opens up the settings mode, and then there at the top you can see dark mode. So there is a icon. It's up to you if you want to choose that. It gives it kind of an interesting function. So we'll go ahead and take a look at it. So we'll scroll that over to the right for dark mode in Facebook Messenger. So as you can see, the whole profile has changed to dark. All right, here we are. We are in the Messenger dark mode. So as you can see, this is the same exact chat that we had just a moment ago, and now it's completely in dark mode. So the back is now black, no longer white, which is kind of an interesting function. So there you have it. I don't know if there's another way to switch the Facebook Messenger into dark mode. Maybe you do. If so, leave a comment below, but hopefully you found the video useful. Click thumbs up, and I hope you guys subscribe.